What's up? Hey, what's up, my saints and sinners? Short video today, and today I'm opening up the Unova starter pack. I looked all over for the starters for Unova region, and I finally found one, so today we're opening it up. As y'all may know, Unova is my favorite Pokemon generation. And the starters, 10 out of 10, all of them are cute. Oh, this is a big card. Big coin. It's the 25th anniversary coin. It's bigger than my jumbo coins. The artwork puzzle. It's down in the bottom right corner. And it's all cute. Definitely my favorite generation. And it comes with 2 packs of the 25th anniversary celebrations packs, and Went Darkness Ablaze. I love this. It's cute. It's adorable. I can't say anything else about it. So we're going to open up this one first. Code card. 1, 2, 3. We got a Simisage, Vanillish, Kling, Sentret, Larvesta, Morlil, Tuxil. Oh my god, that Skitty is so cute. Look at that Skitty. Sorry. Wigglytuff, Starini, and Grass Energy. Pretty good Pokemon cards so far. I really love the Skitty. The Skitty is cute. I like cute things. I like cute Pokemon. Makes my heart go ee. Now it's the 2 celebrations packs. Now there's only 4 cards in each pack. And a code card. We have a Yveltal, Reshiram, Kyogre, and a Muse. Code card. Oh, I just saw it. Oops. We got Palkia, Ho-Oh, Xerneas, and another. The 4th one. I have 4 of these now. Oh, I think it's actually 3. There's a lot of these. I think it is actually 4 of these. I don't know how much they're worth, but I know I'm going to be getting rid of a couple of them. I tell you, man, some of these cards they just hand you. So anyway, guys, that was the Unova tin opening. If you guys enjoyed and want to see more, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. What was your favorite generation? Comment down below.